Hi there, my name is Sammy J. Watson here at Musicians Institute. Today we're going to be talking about some different variations of metric modulation. Example 5.1 demonstrates an eighth note hi-hat pattern. Kicks on 1 and 3, snare in tune 4. At that point, we then alternate the kick and snare on every eighth note triplet, sounding like this. That was 5.1. Next, 5.2 is identical to 5.1, but we're going to start off with an eighth note hi-hat pulse, like this. That was 5.2. Next, we're looking at 5.3. Now we're going to spice it up a little bit and add a 16th note bass syncopated kick pattern. That was 5.3. 5.4 now introduces another direction of giving the illusion that we're going to slow down the beat based on the eighth note triplets, but grouping the kick and snare on every fourth eighth note triplet, like this. That was 5.4. 5.5 now takes a combination of 5.3's syncopated kick pattern and applies it to 5.4's grouping of 4 eighth note triplets. It'll sound like this. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. I hope you got something useful out of this. Be sure to check out all the other lessons. Thank you.